morning students. So today I am going to deal with model question paper 1. Now yesterday we are discussing about part C up to 34 question. Now today we will continue same part, that is part C, remaining questions, question number 35. Each question carries 3 marks. Now here 35th question using vectors, based on the vectors. Now here let A, B, C be 3 vectors such that magnitude of A is equal to 3, magnitude of B is equal to 4, magnitude of C is equal to 5, and each one of them being perpendicular to the sum of the other two. Now the question, find the magnitude of A plus B plus C. In Kutidanile, 3 vectors are given, its magnitude values are given, and one vector is perpendicular to sum of the other 2 vectors, totally 3 vectors A, B, C. Now one vector is perpendicular to other 2 means vector A is perpendicular to B and C, or vector B is perpendicular to vector A and C, or vector C is perpendicular to vector A and B. Using this to find the value of magnitude of A plus B plus C. Now look here. So given data, 3 magnitudes are given, namely magnitude of A. Magnitude of vector A is 3, magnitude of vector B is equal to 4, magnitude of vector C is equal to 5, and each one of them being perpendicular to sum of the other 2. Now take one by one. Now vector A perpendicular to sum of other 2 means B plus C, whereas vector B is perpendicular to sum of other 2 C plus A, and vector C is perpendicular to sum of other 2 vectors A plus B, right? Now here this implies vector A is perpendicular to vector B plus C. As you know that 2 vectors are perpendicular, what is the condition? Dot product becomes 0. Now we write A dot B plus C, correct, is equal to 0. Here B dot C plus A is equal to 0, and here C dot A plus B is equal to 0, because 2 vectors are perpendicular, condition dot product becomes 0. Now further simplify, this implies, remove that bracket, A dot B plus A dot C is equal to 0. Here B dot C plus B dot A is equal to 0. Here C dot A plus C dot B is equal to 0. Okay. Now here equation 1 and 2, here equation 3. Okay. Now add all these 3 equations, see what happen. Equation 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives, add all these 3. A dot B plus A dot B, 2 times A dot B. A dot C plus A dot C, C dot A is nothing but A dot C, because dot product is commutative. A dot C plus A dot C, 2 times A dot C. B dot C plus B dot C, again 2 times B dot C. What is common? 2 common. So add these 3, 2 times A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0. You call it as equation 4, right? Now the question, to find magnitude of A plus B plus C. Now here, to find magnitude of A plus B plus C, now by taking, consider magnitude of A plus B plus C to the power of 2 is equal to usual expansion. As you know that A plus B plus C whole power 2, what is the formula? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times AB plus 2 times BC plus 2 times CA, right? Now here A plus B plus C whole square is equal to, using vectors, so magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus magnitude of C square plus 2 times A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A, correct? A plus B plus C whole square formula. Okay. Substituting the values, magnitude of A value 3, 3 square 9, magnitude of B is 4, 4 square is 16, Magnitude of C is 5. 5 square is 25 plus 2 times A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A using equation 4. Its value is 0. Right? So, magnitude of A plus B plus C to the power of 2 is equal to 9 plus 16, 25. 25 plus 25, 50. Okay. Therefore, taking the root on both sides, magnitude of A plus B plus C is equal to square root of 50, that is root of 50 can be written as 25 into 2, right? That is equal to 5 root 2. So, remember magnitude of A plus B plus C value 5 root 2. Okay? 3 mark question. Yes. Next question, problem number 36. 3 mark question in part C. The question like this: show that the points A of minus 2I plus 3j plus 5k, B of I plus 2j plus 3k, and C of 7I minus k are collinear. Show that these 3 points are collinear. So, collinear means what? All the points lies on a same line. Ella points ಒಂದೇ line ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? Collinear. Now, to prove that these 3 points are collinear, now here we should prove that sum of 2 vectors is equal to third vector. Now, we should prove that sum of 2 vectors is equal to third vector. Now, how to solve? To find sum of all vectors. Now, to find vector AB. Vector AB is equal to, show that the points with 3 position vectors are given are collinear. Now, vector AB is equal to, how to write? Vector OB minus vector OA, right? OB is the position vector I plus 2j plus 3k. OA is the position vector minus 2I plus 3j plus 5k. Subtract OB minus OA. 1I minus of minus 2I, that is 3I, right? Next, 2j minus 3j minus 1j, 3k minus 5k, that is minus 2k. This is AB vector. Next, to find BC vector. BC is equal to OC vector minus OB vector using position vector. Yes, OC vector 7I minus k, OB vector is I plus 2j minus 3k. Subtract 7I minus I, 6I. There is no j term, 0j minus 2j, that is minus 2j. Minus k minus 3k minus 4k. This is BC vector. Then to find AC vector or CA vector is equal to OA minus OC or AC vector OC minus OA. OA minus OC, yes, minus 2I minus 7I, that is minus 10I. Okay, or if you take AB, BC, AC, AB, BC, AC. Now, AC is equal to OC vector minus OA vector. Okay, what is OC vector? 7I minus of minus 2I plus 2I, that is 9I. There is no j term, 0j minus 3j minus 3j. Then minus k minus 5k minus 6k, minus k minus 5k minus 6k. Okay, now observe it. Show that the points are collinear, means all the points lies on a same line. Now we should prove that sum of 2 vector is equal to third vector. Now sum of 2 vector AB vector plus BC vector. Add those two vector, what happen? Vector AB plus vector BC is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Yes. Now vector AB plus vector BC is equal to, yes, AB vector 3i minus j minus 2j, BC vector 6i minus 2j minus 4k. Add those two, 3i plus 6i, 9i. Then minus j minus 2j minus 3j. Minus 2k minus 6k, 4k minus 6k. So 9i minus 3j minus 6k is nothing but vector AC. Correct? So therefore vector AB plus vector BC is equal to vector AC. Hence the points A, B, C are collinear. Collinear means all the points lies on a same line, that is known as collinear. Okay, this is problem number 36. Then 37th problem, based on plane 3D geometry. Find the equation of the plane. Find the equation of the plane through the intersection of the planes through the intersection of the planes 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0. X plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. And the point 2, 2, 1. And the point 2, 2, 1. Okay. Look here. Very simple question. 3 mark. Given data. Two planes are given, namely 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0. This is first plane. Second plane is x plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. And the point x1, y1, z1 points are given 2 to 1. To find the equation of plane passing through the intersection of two planes, idu one plane ide, idu one plane ide, eradu plane ondokkondu meet adaga it will get new equation of plane. Now here equation of plane, required equation of plane passing through the intersection of two planes is given by the formula first plane plus lambda into second plane is equal to 0. Okay, now what is first plane? 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda into second plane x plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. Call it as equation 3. Okay. Then as this plane in kotidana passing through the intersection of planes and the point kotidana nodi irli. So as this plane, that is equation 3, passes through the point 2, 2, 1. It means put x is 2, y is 2, z is 1. So substitute ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ points ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, passes through the points 3 of x value 2 minus y value 2 plus 2 z value 1 minus 4 plus lambda into x plus y plus z So x value 2 plus y value 2, z value 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. Simplify, 3 2s are 6 minus 2 plus 2 minus 4 plus lambda into 2 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel, minus 2 plus 2 cancel, 6 minus 4 2 plus 2 plus 1 3 lambda is equal to 0 implies 3 lambda is equal to minus 2. Therefore, lambda is equal to minus 2 divided by 3. We got lambda value. Put lambda is equal to minus 2 by 3 in equation 3. It will get required equation of plane. Therefore, required equation of plane, equation 3 gives 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda, lambda value minus 2 by 3 into x plus y plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. Now take the LCM. LCM is 3, cross multiply, 3 3s are 9 minus 3y plus 3 2s are 6z, 3 4s are 12 minus 2x minus 2 into y minus 2y minus 2 into z minus 2z minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 0. Rearrange, 9x minus 2x 7x, correct? 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda of x plus y plus z minus 2. 9x minus 2x 7x minus 3y minus 2y minus 5y 6z minus 2z plus 4z minus 12 plus 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. This represent equation of plane passing through the intersection of two planes. Okay, 3 mark question. Now, last question in part C, 38th question. A man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. 4 times dalle 3 times nicha ಹೇಳ್ತಾನವನು. He throws a die and reports that it is a 6. He throws a die and reports that it is a 6. Find the probability that it is actually 6 by based on Bayes theorem, using Bayes theorem. Now here let A stands for 6 occurs in the throw. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ, ಡೈಸ್ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ reports that it is a 6. So A stands for 6 occurs in a throw, whereas A dash 6 does not occurs. So what is probability of a die rolled 6 outcomes? Out of 6 only one throw, that 6 occurs, that is 1 by 6. And probability of not A means A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A, that is 1 minus 1 by 6, that is 5 by 6. Now here man reports that 6. In Kudidana, he throws a die and reports that it is a 6. Now probability of E bar A. E bar A means a man is known to speak 3 out of 4 times. So 3 by 4. Whereas probability of E bar A dash, what is the formula? 1 minus P of E bar A, that is 1 minus P of E bar A value is 3 by 4, that is 1 by 4. Therefore required probability of A given that E by using Bayes theorem, P of A into P of E bar A whole divided by summation of the probabilities P of A into P of E bar A plus P of A dash into P of E bar A dash. Substituting the values, what is probability of A? 1 by 6. Probability of E bar A 3 by 4 divided by probability of A is 1 by 6. Probability of E bar A is 3 by 4 plus probability of A dash 5 by 6. Probability of E bar A dash 1 by 4. Then simplify, 3 by 24, here 3 by 24 plus 5 by 24. 3 by 24 in the denominator LCM is 24, 3 plus 5 8 by 24. 24 cancel, that is 3 by 8. Okay, 3 mark question. So out of 14 questions in part C, attempt any 10 questions, each question carries 3 mark. So part C is over. Okay, now go for part D. 5 mark question. Part D, 5 mark. From question number 39 to 48. Now here in part D 5 mark questions, again total 10 questions. Out of 10 questions, attempt any 6 questions. Each question carries 5 mark. Okay. Now here part D 5 mark question. Now question number 39. So part D 5 mark. So 39th question. What is that? Check the injectivity. Check the injectivity and surjectivity of the function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. Is it a bijective function? Is it a bijective function? 5 mark. Check the injectivity and surjectivity of the function f from R to R, real number to real number, defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. Is it a bijective function or not? Check it. So definition of bijective is a function f from R to R, or a function f of x is said to be bijective function if and only if it is both 1 1 and onto function. Now we have to check it. First we have to verify whether is it 1 1 or not. Now given data, f of x is equal to given 3 minus 4x. Now first to prove that, verify that is it 1 1 or not. Definition of 1 1, take image of x1 is equal to image of x2. Now to prove that elements are equal, now f of x1 is equal to f of x2, to prove that x1 is equal to x2. Since f of x is 3 minus 4x, replace x by x1. What happened? 3 minus 4x1. Replace x by x2. 3 minus 4x2. Implies 3 minus 4x1 minus 3 plus 4x2 is equal to 0. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Minus 4x1 is equal to minus 4x2. Divide by minus 4. x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1 function. Okay, that is f is injective. Another name of 1 1 is injective. Then again to verify that onto, that is surjective. Now here let y is equal to f of x. What is f of x value? 3 minus 4x, right? This implies 4x is equal to enagutte nodi, 3 minus 4x is equal to y, right? Therefore 4x is equal to 3 minus y, right? Divide by 4, x is equal to 3 minus y divided by 4. That value belongs to real number, isn't it? Now therefore if it is onto, we should prove that image of x is equal to y, codomain is equal to range. To prove that, to verify that codomain is equal to range. Now here f of x is equal to range. F of x is equal to what is f of x? 3 minus 4x. 3 minus 4, x value 3 minus y divided by 4. Simplify, 4 4 cancel. 3 minus 3 minus into minus plus y, 3 3 cancel. F of x is equal to y. Clearly codomain is equal to range. Therefore f is onto function. F is surjective. Hence it is 1 1 as well as onto. Hence F is bijective function. Bijective avakar ಎರಡು ಇರಬೇಕು, 1 1 as well as onto function. 5 mark. Okay, first to verify 1 1, another name of 1 1 is injectivity, then to verify that onto, another name of onto is surjective function. If it is both are satisfied, it is said to be bijective function. Okay, this is 39th question. Then 40th question. Five mark question, 40th. If A is equal to algebra of matrices, matrix first row 1 2 minus 3, second row 5 0 2, third row 1 minus 1 1. B is the matrix first row 3 minus 1 2, second row 4 2 5, third row 2 0 3, and C is the matrix 3 cross 3 matrix first row 4 1 2, second row 0 3 2, third row 1 minus 2 3. Then compute means find A plus B and B minus C. Also verify that A plus of B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. 5 mark question, very simple question. 3 matrices are given, all 3 matrices having same order, right? Now here compute means first to find A plus B and B minus C. Now A plus B is equal to, here A is the matrix of order 3 cross 3, this is also 3 cross 3, A plus B, adding the corresponding elements 1 plus 3 4, right? 2 minus 1 1, minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, second line 5 plus 4 9, 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 5 7, third line 1 plus 2 3, minus 1 plus 0 minus 1, 1 plus 3 4. This is A plus B. Then to find A B minus C, B minus C, subtracting the corresponding elements 3 minus 4 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 0 4, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 5 minus 2 3, third line 2 minus 1 1, 0 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 3 minus 3 0. This is B minus C. Okay, then also verify that A plus of B minus C. Now take LHS. A plus of B minus C is equal to A matrix first row 1 2 minus 3, second row 5 0 2, third row 1 minus 1 1, plus B minus C minus 1 minus 2 0, 4 minus 1 3, 1 2 0. In between these two plus sign, so adding the corresponding elements 1 plus of minus 1, that is 0, 2 plus of minus 2 0, minus 3 plus 0 minus 3, second line 5 plus 4 9, 0 plus of minus 1 minus 1, 2 plus 3 5, third line 1 plus 1 2, minus 1 plus 2 1, 1 plus 0 1. This is A plus of B minus C, LHS. Similarly to find RHS, RHS is equal to A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B matrix 4 1 minus 1, okay, 9 2 7, third line 3 minus 1 4, 3 minus 1 4, minus C matrix 4 1 2, second line 0 3 2, third line 1 minus 2 3. Okay. Then subtracting the corresponding elements, 4 minus 4 0, 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, right. 9 minus 0 9, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 7 minus 2 5, 3 minus 1 2, minus 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2, that is 1, 4 minus 3 minus plus 1. Equation 2. Observe both the equation 1 and 2 are the same. Yes. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, it follows that we conclude that LHS is equal to RHS, that is A plus of B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. 5 mark. Okay, this is problem number 40. Okay, then problem number 41. Problem number 41, again that is matrix problem, determinant problem. Solve the system of equations by matrix method. By matrix method. 2x plus 3y plus 3z is equal to 5, x minus 2y plus z is equal to minus 4, 3x minus y minus 2z is equal to 3. Solve the system of equations using matrix method. It means to find 3 unknown values, namely x value, y value, z value. Look here. Now first step, take the matrix. Let A is the matrix, write the coefficients of x, y, z. That is 2, 3, 3. Here coefficient of x, y, z, coefficient of x is 1, minus 2, 1. Then 3, minus 1, minus 2. This is A matrix. Now to find 3 unknown values x, y, z value, which is denoted by capital X. Let capital X is equal to x, y, z. And constant terms denoted by say B. B is equal to constant value 5 minus 4, 3. This is first step. Therefore, these 3 matrices satisfying the equation A into x equal to B. This implies capital X is equal to, how to write, A inverse into B. Now to find A inverse, what is the formula for A inverse? You know, 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now to find determinant of A, determinant 2, 3, 3, 1 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 1 minus 2, plus minus plus, expand it, that is 2 into, deleting first row first column, cross multiply, 4 plus 1, minus 3 into, deleting first row second column, minus 2 minus 3, right, plus 3 into, deleting first row third column, minus 1 plus 6, that is 5 2s are 10 plus 15, right. 6 minus 1 5, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 15 30 plus 10 40, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given matrix is non-singular matrix. Then to find adjoint of A, if it is non-singular, inverse matrix exists. So to find adjoint of matrix A, definition of adjoint, transpose of the corresponding cofactors. How many cofactors? 9 cofactors. C11 plus alternative sign, by deleting first row first column 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply, 4 plus 1, that is 5. C12 minus of, because 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 is odd number, that is negative sign. Deleting first row, second column, deleting first row, second column, first row, second column, minus 2, minus 3, correct ala? That is 5. C13 plus, deleting first row, third column, minus 1 plus 6, that is 5. C21 minus of, deleting second row, first column, 4 numbers, cross multiply, minus 6 plus 3, minus 6 plus 3, that is plus 3. C22 plus, deleting second row, second column, minus 4, minus 9, how much? Minus 13. C23 minus, deleting second row, third column, minus 2, minus 9, minus 2, minus 9, plus 11. Next, third row, C31 plus, deleting third row, first column, cross multiply, 3 plus 6, that is 9. C32 minus, deleting third row, second column, 2 minus 3, how much? That is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1. C33 plus, deleting third row, third column, minus 4, minus 3, how much? That is minus 7. These are the cofactors. Therefore, adjoint of A is equal to, definition of adjoint, transpose of the cofactors. First cofactor 5, second cofactor 5, 5. Next, second row 3, minus 13, 11. Third row 9, 1, minus 7. Its transpose. Definition of transpose, interchanging the rows and columns. 5, 5, 5, 3 minus 13, 11, 9, 1 minus 7. This is adjoint of a matrix. Okay. Therefore, A inverse is equal to, what is the formula? 1 divided by determinant of A. Determinant of A value 40 into adjoint of A 5, 3, 9. Okay. 5 minus 13, 1. 5, 11 minus 7. This is A inverse. Hence, to find 3 unknown values x, y, z denoted by capital X is equal to A inverse. A inverse value 1 by 40. 5, 3, 9. 5 minus 13, 1. 5, 11 minus 7. A inverse into B. B matrix 5 minus 4, 3. Okay. So, that is 1 by 40 into, multiply those two, multiply row by column, 5 5s are 25, 3 into minus 4 minus 12, 9 3s are 27. Second row by first column, 25 minus 13 into minus 4 plus 52, 1 into 3, 3. Third row by first column, 25, 11 into minus 4 minus 44, minus 7 into 3 minus 21. Okay. So, further simplify, that is now here so that equals 1 divided by 40 into, simplify, 25 minus 12, how much? 13, 13 plus 27, 40. Correct? Next, 25, 52 plus 3, 55, 55 plus 25, 80. And here 25 minus 21, 4, 4 minus 44, minus 40. So, capital X value x, y, z. So, therefore, x, y, z is equal to, by scalar multiplication, 1 by 40 into 40, 1 by 40 into 82, 1 by 40 into minus 40, minus 1. Clearly, these two matrices having same order are said to be equal. Therefore, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to minus 1. Solve the system of equations using matrix method 3 unknown values, x value 1, y value 2, z value minus 1. Now let us verify. Put those values in first equation, it will get 5. In second equation, it will get minus 4. Third equation, it will get 3. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ minus 4 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 41st ಕ್ವಶನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, 9 ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ adjoint, definition of adjoint, transpose of the corresponding cofactors. Then to find inverse matrix, after that to find capital X means x, y, z value. Okay, so this is 41 question. Next question number 42, 5 mark question. Very simple problem based on second order derivative problem. If y is equal to tan inverse of x to the power of 2, show that 1 plus x square whole power 2 into y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square y1 is equal to 2. Based on second order derivatives. Now given data, y is equal to tan inverse of x to the power of 2. Show that 1 plus x square whole power 2 into y2. y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square. Now first to find y1. y1 is nothing but dy by dx. Okay, now make it as standard form. Put tan inverse x equal to capital X. It is in the form capital X square. What is derivative of capital X square? 2 into capital X, that is 2 into tan inverse x, into another friend. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, then further simplify, cross multiply. Cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 2 times tan inverse of x. This is first order differentiation. Now once again differentiate both sides with respect to x. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿ. Here in left hand side, here product of two functions. Apply product rule. First function as it is into derivative of y1 is, you know, y2, plus second function as it is y1 into derivative of first function, derivative of 1 0 because it is constant, derivative of x square is 2x is equal to 2 constant as it is. What is derivative of tan inverse x? 1 divided by 1 plus x square, right? Now cross multiply, 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square whole power 2 into y2, right? Plus y1 into 2x into 1 plus x square, y1 into 2x into 1 plus x square, cross multiply 2x into 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to, that is 2, because cross multiplication, or multiply complete equation by 1 plus x square. Cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ multiply that equation by 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square whole power 2 into y2, y1 into 2x into 1 plus x square, 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square, that can cancel, that is 2. So this is the answer. 5 mark, very simple question. Okay, so this is problem number 42. So remaining problems we will discuss next class. Okay, thank you students.